Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the iPhone 14 Plus for Visible Wireless. So as of this video recording, it is off for pre-orders. The iPhone 14 Plus will be out October 7th. So you guys will have 4 colors to choose from. So you guys have blue, purple, starlight, and midnight color options there for the iPhone 14 Plus. So you guys have 3 storage options for the iPhone 14 Plus: 128 gigs, 929, 256 gigs, 1029, 512 gigs, 1229. Alright. So yeah, the iPhone 14 Plus looks like the iPhone 13 from last year. There's really no difference in design except for this has newer hardware, obviously. So yeah, front and back of the iPhone 14 Plus, you guys have your knots there. Dual cameras on the back, camera flash, Apple logo and whatnot. Just up close with the camera there. Very nice. There it is, and it's color options there. And there's what comes in the box is your iPhone and your charging cable, and that's pretty much it. And you get the documentation and that's pretty much it. So yeah. Features says iPhone 14 Plus. Now that's big. iPhone 14 Plus. Think big with a larger 6.7-inch display and all-day battery life. Capture stunning photos in low light and bright light with the new dual camera system. Get peace of mind with groundbreaking safety features. Be sure to update your device to the latest software version. Check settings for available updates, if any. This is a 5G compatible device. Check here to learn more about Visible's plans for 5G. Roaming on Visible Plus. Good news, your device is compatible with roaming in Mexico and Canada. Make sure you're on the right plan and your passport is up to date. Okay. Pretty interesting. Specs. The iPhone 14 Plus weighs 7.16 ounces. Dimensions: 6.33 inches height, 3.7 inches width, and 0.31 inches depth. It also has iOS 16, of course. Cameras: dual camera system, 12 megapixel main with an f1.5 aperture, then a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera lens on the back with an f2.4 aperture and 120 degrees field of view. I don't know why it keeps doing that. It's kind of pissing me off. Yeah, guys have a 12 megapixel front facing camera, 4K video recording at 24, 25, 30 and 60 frames, 1080p video recording at 25, 30 and 60 frames. Storage: 128 gigs, 256 gigs, or 512 gigabytes of storage options. Built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery, charging via USB to computer system or power adapter. If you guys want to learn more about the iPhone 14 Plus, I will have that link down below. So yeah, there you guys have it. The iPhone 14 Plus is now here at Visible by Verizon. It'll be out October 7th. So as of this recording, it is up for pre-orders. So pretty cool. So if you guys like the design of the iPhone 13 and stuff, the iPhone 14 Plus could be an iPhone for you guys to check out. Yeah, very nice looking phone. Pretty good specs for what it is, and this is the first iPhone to have the Plus moniker since the iPhone 8 Plus. So pretty interesting that they went with the iPhone 14 Plus here. So pretty interesting there. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It lets me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.